Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And this morning, I was doing some research on an old Radio Shack antenna that I found while cleaning out my workshop yesterday, and I ran across this Radio Shack website. Now, I must be living under a rock or something. I thought they went out of business. I thought they were gone. But apparently not. And when I did some more looking into Radio Shack, I did find some information. It was article back in January, so it's kind of old. And it said they still had 28 stores still open. And I found this website, so they still have the website for sure. Now, they don't have much. Now, like for instance, if you'll go down here, and let me go back up here to the top and click on radios. And here's the radios they have. This is a familiar one. I think I have this one or a version of that one. This is definitely a familiar Radio Shack. And that's it. That's all they have as far as radios. Two-way radios and accessories. We've got some Midland walkie-talkies, and that's it. Radio antennas, which is what I was looking for information on, and that's it. So they don't have much left. Whoa, this is a very good, or yes, it is a very good antenna for your scanners. And I think I got. Oh, that's interesting. Everything says sold out. Oh, that's interesting. I think when I bought mine, it was like $20. Now it's up to $30. Ooh, sold out. This is not good. It is sold out. Well, maybe they're kind of like on their last little thread of existence. Wow. Just think if you can, back when you could buy a Radio Shack franchise and it was your store, this is my understanding, it was your store and Radio Shack supplied stuff for you to put in your store. Well, those poor people that had all those stores that Radio Shack says, no, we're going to give up. It's sad. I'm sure if they still exist, the 28 stores that are still open are probably those kinds of franchises. They're probably not Radio Shack owned stores. I don't know. It could be just the opposite. It could be they are Radio Shack owned stores and all the franchises are gone. That could be. I don't know. I was just surprised that they even existed. So there's a slim possibility they might come back. I think the owners have changed hands, I'm pretty sure, and they've been into Chapter 11 twice, and one, I'll say. So we'll see. But anyway, I'll be doing a show pretty soon on a Radio Shack antenna I found. It's a shortwave antenna. When I saw it yesterday, I was like, I didn't even realize this existed. I probably got it at a ham fest or something. I don't know. Well, we'll take a look at it tomorrow. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.